What's up guys, it's me recording with the REMOVU K1. I am now in a follow mode. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. The hoping weather is quite bad. I mean the weather is like raining weather. The raining stopped already now. That's why it's a little bit dark out here. I wish it was a sunny day so I can show you much better. Again, you need to be the judge how good is I'm recording, to be honest with you. Yeah, how good I am recording, you need to be the judge. To me it seems quite good, to be honest with you. Okay, I can do like this. Okay, yeah. Now I'm on the pan mode. Before I was in the follow mode. Now I'm in the follow mode. Yeah. Now in the pan mode. You need to be the judge how good is the video quality. To me it seems quite good. At the end of the day, I'm really very much happy.